One of the most important things you can do to set yourself up for financial success is to establish good credit. Here are tips on how to use your credit card to positively impact your credit scores, whether it's your first credit card or you've had one for years. 1. Keep your credit utilization low. Using your credit card responsibly means not exceeding 30% of your credit limit. 2. Don't make large purchases unless you can pay them off quickly. Unless you have the cash to pay off a large item quickly, make only small purchases with your new credit card to keep your credit utilization rate low. 3. Monitor your credit. Monitoring your credit report is another way to track how purchases and payments on your credit card affect your score. Is your personal information on the dark web? Make sure your identity isn't at risk.